Welcome back to Nuance Art, where we explore timeless home design ideas that continue to inspire modern living. Today we dive deep into the fascinating world of old Spanish stone houses, structures that have stood for centuries, not just because of their beauty, but because of their intelligent design. Have you ever wondered why these homes were built with such thick stone walls? It's not just about strength or tradition. There's a hidden science behind it that blends climate adaptation, material efficiency, and human comfort. These homes were designed long before modern air conditioning or insulation systems, yet they remain remarkably comfortable year-round. In this video, we will uncover the logic behind these architectural choices and how they continue to influence contemporary design. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's begin our journey into the quiet brilliance of traditional Spanish architecture. Old Spanish stone houses were born out of necessity, shaped by centuries of environmental challenges and cultural evolution. In regions with intense sunlight, fluctuating temperatures, and limited resources, builders had to rely on locally available materials and intuitive design strategies. Stone became the material of choice, not only because it was abundant, but because it offered unmatched durability. These homes were designed to last for generations, often becoming family heirlooms passed down through time. The thickness of the walls was not arbitrary. It was a deliberate response to harsh climates and the need for protection. In many cases, walls could be up to a meter thick, creating a formidable barrier against external elements. This historical context helps us understand that these houses were not just shelters, but carefully engineered environments that balance function and resilience. Their design reflects a deep understanding of nature and a commitment to sustainability long before it became a modern concern. One of the most important scientific principles behind thick stone walls is thermal mass. Stone has the ability to absorb, store, and slowly release heat, making it an ideal material for regulating indoor temperatures. During the day when the sun is at its peak, The thick walls absorb heat and prevent it from entering the living space. As the temperature drops at night, the stored heat is gradually released, keeping the interior warm and comfortable. This natural cycle reduces the need for artificial heating and cooling systems. The thicker the wall, the more effective this thermal buffering becomes. This is why Old Spanish homes remain cool during hot summers and relatively warm during cooler nights. It's a passive design strategy that works in harmony with the environment, showcasing how traditional architecture can achieve energy efficiency without modern technology. While thermal mass plays a major role, thick stone walls also provide excellent insulation. Unlike modern insulation materials that trap air to reduce heat transfer, stone walls slow down the movement of heat through sheer density. This means that sudden changes in outdoor temperature do not immediately affect the indoor environment. The time it takes for heat to travel through the wall, known as thermal lag, can be several hours. This delay is crucial in maintaining a stable indoor climate. Additionally, the irregular surface and composition of natural stone can create small air pockets that enhance insulating properties. Combined with plaster finishes and lime coatings often used in traditional Spanish homes, these walls become even more effective. This layered approach to insulation demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of building physics, achieved without the need for synthetic materials. Thick stone walls are not only functional in terms of climate control, they also provide incredible structural strength. These walls support heavy roofs, resist strong winds, and offer protection against natural disasters such as earthquakes and storms. The weight and density of stone create a stable foundation that minimizes movement and structural fatigue over time. In many Old Spanish villages, you can still find houses that are hundreds of years old, standing firm with minimal maintenance. This durability reduces the need for frequent repairs or reconstruction, making stone houses a sustainable choice in the long run. The construction techniques used, such as interlocking stones and mortar bonding, further enhance the integrity of the structure. This focus on longevity reflects a mindset of building not just for the present, but for future generations. Another often overlooked advantage of thick stone walls is their ability to block sound. The density of the material acts as a natural sound barrier, reducing noise from outside and creating a peaceful indoor environment. This is particularly valuable in rural or communal settings where multiple activities may occur simultaneously. The walls absorb and dampen sound waves, preventing echoes and minimizing disturbances. This acoustic insulation contributes to a sense of tranquility and privacy that is difficult to achieve with thinner modern walls. In today's fast-paced world, where noise pollution is a growing concern, the quiet comfort of stone houses offers a compelling reason to revisit traditional design principles. It's a reminder that good architecture considers not only visual aesthetics and structural integrity, but also the sensory experience of living within a space. Old Spanish stone houses are perfectly adapted to the Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The thick walls work in conjunction with other architectural features such as small windows, shaded courtyards, and tiled roofs to create a balanced indoor environment. The limited size of openings reduces direct sunlight exposure, while the walls maintain a consistent internal temperature. In coastal areas, the stone also resists humidity and salt air, further enhancing durability. This holistic approach to design shows how different elements work together to respond to environmental conditions. Rather than relying on a single solution, Traditional builders integrated multiple strategies to achieve comfort and efficiency. This level of integration is something modern architecture often strives to replicate, proving that these old techniques still hold valuable lessons. In today's world, sustainability is a key concern, and old Spanish stone houses offer a powerful example of eco-friendly design. The use of local materials reduces transportation costs and environmental impact. The long lifespan of stone structures minimizes waste and resource consumption. Most importantly, the passive climate control provided by thick walls significantly reduces energy usage. These homes operate with minimal reliance on electricity, making them both cost-effective and environmentally responsible. Additionally, stone is a natural, non-toxic material that does not emit harmful chemicals. As we look for ways to build more sustainably, revisiting these traditional methods can provide valuable insights. By combining ancient wisdom with modern technology, we can create homes that are both beautiful and environmentally conscious. Architects and designers today are increasingly inspired by the principles behind old Spanish stone houses. While modern construction methods and materials offer new possibilities, the core ideas of thermal mass, insulation, and climate responsiveness remain highly relevant. Contemporary homes may use concrete, brick, or engineered stone to replicate the effects of traditional thick walls. Some designs even incorporate hybrid systems that combine modern insulation with high-mass materials for optimal performance. The goal is to achieve the same level of comfort and efficiency while meeting current building standards. By studying and adapting these historical techniques, we can create spaces that honor the past while embracing the future. This fusion of old and new is at the heart of innovative design. The thick stone walls of old Spanish houses are far more than a stylistic choice. They are the result of deep understanding, careful observation, and practical ingenuity. From thermal regulation and insulation to structural strength and sustainability, every aspect of their design serves a purpose. These homes remind us that great architecture is not just about appearance, but about how a space performs and supports human life. As we continue to explore new technologies and materials, there is much we can learn from these timeless structures. If you found this exploration inspiring, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nuance Art, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. What traditional design would you like us to explore next? Let's keep discovering the beauty and intelligence of architecture together.